YouTube. This is Andrea here, and Mom is hanging out. We are going to be opening a jewelry jar. I got this from Goodwill for $6.99. This is my very first Goodwill jar. So maybe we'll have lots and lots of stuff that's beautiful. Let's go ahead and crack it open. Then I will adjust the camera so that we can go down a little lower. Alright. Ah! I don't even want to touch it, but it's a scorpion, and it's a real one inside of this plastic. How gross is that? It's a keychain. But I know people love that kind of stuff, and I'm just not one of them. Just not one of them. Okay. Let me put this aside, and I'm going to pull you guys down lower and be right back. Okay, we're all adjusted. Flip down our jar. Let's see what's going on. I'll just pull out a few. Okay. How about this? This is beautiful. I love this type of necklace, and although it's not real amber, it is just gorgeous, and I love amber. I guess that's kind of in the orange family.
Yes, it is.
That's probably why I love it.
You could put your scorpion on it.
And I'm not putting that scorpion anywhere near me. Very pretty. It's a pullover necklace. And I actually like these type of bracelets as well. They just are, oh, what is that? That doesn't belong in there. They are, to me, they're beautiful. The seed beads, the handmade look. I love it. And it's like a cuff. Very pretty. And let's see. Oh, this is a necklace. See? There's another pretty necklace. I love it. It's got black and gold chain with this beautiful charm. Alright. We're doing good so far. We have these cute little earrings. They are Halloween. There's the pumpkin, the bat, and the ghost. Very cute. Oh, it's just one earring. Oh no, it says two. Here's the other one. Okay, I'm just holding it wrong. There we go. There. Very cute. Goes in our earring box. This says Atlanta, Atlanta, Atlanta. So cute. Someone went to Atlanta and they really had fun. Then this one. They look handmade, but they're very cute for a little girl. I think, anyway. Earrings. Oh, here's a brooch. Oh, it's an Avon brooch. And you get one of these after a certain amount of sales. So those are nice. And then we have stretchy rhinestone bracelets. Got two of those. And then this is a stretch glass bead bracelet. And there is a little tag on here. Let's see what this little tag says. What does that say? Cutie. Cookie Inn. That's cute. Cookie Inn. Very cute. For our bracelets, this is a fabric bangle, and it may have been repurposed from another bangle, because I can see the lining in here is different than most bangles. It's very cute though. Get some more out. Whoa, this is a big old red necklace. Oh man, that's much longer than I thought. This might be a belt.
Garnet?
Yeah, it could be garnet or coral. I don't know. But it's really long. Then these two little wood bead sections. Very pretty, and a lot of it. Here is another beaded necklace. This one is wood, redwood. Pretty. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous Murano glass heart. Look at that. I mean, not heart, cross. Big old difference. Very pretty, and it's on a ribbon necklace. Gorgeous. Oh, I like this one too. This is a beaded wood necklace, and I guess they were selling it for $2.99. Take that off. Very pretty. Alright. This looks like, oh, wait a minute. This pops off. I bet this is a purse charm. Oh, here we go. Yeah, like that. Here. And it's got two of these clasps, and then a small gold chain. Interesting. I don't know where to put it because it's not a bracelet. I'll put it in my what is that thing jar. Oh man, check out this turquoise bead necklace. Look at the beaded handwork here. So beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This is a cell phone charm. Very cute with a little kitty cat. Little kitty cat. This is handmade, and it is a ring. Ooh, big old ring. Made to look like a rose though. All hand beaded. Very beautiful. Did a good job. This one says Jesus. I'm not sure what it was. At one point it was something. Very cute. Put that with our religious stuff. And then these are, yeah, these are glass beads or stone beads. And I will probably put this in our beaded lot. Very pretty. Oh, bracelets. Okay. This is breast cancer awareness bracelet. Very pretty. Then this is a glass bead bracelet, stretchy. This is a seed bead stretchy bracelet. And a cross and praying hands stretchy bracelet. There's the praying hands. And then the cross. Very cute. I like handmade stuff. I like other stuff too, but this right here is a cute little kid bracelet. This is the bottom of the jar. What do we got here? Oh, here, look, here's some more of those things. Interesting. I wonder what these were.
You may be right about keychains.
Yeah, they could be keychains. They're heavy. So we got 3 more of those. Well, this bracelet is to pieces. It was a stretchy, but man, these are gorgeous. Check these out. Aren't those beautiful? So we'll have to piece that back together. I think that's worth fixing. And then we have another keychain that says 09. And that's it, guys. The jar is empty. That was $6.99. Not too bad. I think I got $6.99 back and maybe like $4 or $5 after that. And then we have some to donate to the Gospel Rescue Mission. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll be glad to get back to you. Have a great one. Bye.